In this next question, we have solving algebraic fractions. We have x minus 9 over 2 plus 2 of x equals 0. Now we need to, as we said before in the previous videos, okay, let's get the right color. We need to look at the denominators of these items here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. And what we do to one, we must do to all of them. So let's get rid of those arrows for the moment. Let's get rid of them now. So don't give them anymore. Good. Now we look at the 2, we look at the x, and we try to find out the lowest common multiple of 2x, which is 2x. I think we should use a different color. That's not really showing very good. 2x. So in order for me to eliminate the 2 and the x on the bottom and bring them to the top, I need to multiply each item by 2x. So let's do that now. 2x times by this, and this time by 2x, and this time by 2x, and this time by 2x to keep everything consistent. Now, let's do some cancelling. And that was the whole point of it in the first place. So 2x times by x will just give us 2x squared, no cancelling there. So 9 times by 2x divided by 2, the 2 will cancel off. The 2 from the bottom is gone. So we're left with minus 9x. Now we times in by 2x and dividing by x, and the x will cancel out this time, plus 4 equals 0. So we're looking for two numbers that time to give you, okay, now this one's in a slightly different way because you got the 2x squared in there. So it's not as simple as the previous question that we've done. So 2x squared has to be split up into 2x and x. So we are looking for the factors of plus 4, but there must be negative factors because we need to get a minus 9 here. So minus 1 and minus 4 is what we're looking for. If you put the minus 4 opposite to 2x, that gives us minus 8x, and then another minus, oops, I'm not supposed to be like that. Okay, minus 1 here. That will give us the correct minus 9x for this question. So, when we solve this question, again, we do this. Okay, something looks a little bit wrong here. I think that shouldn't be there. Okay, there should be no x there, so pardon me for that, folks. There be a mistake there. Should be no x here on the side. So if we solve the second one first, the opposite of minus 4 is, that gives us plus 4. Now 2x minus 1 must make equal to 0. So there's minus 1 here. So this must be plus 1. So if 2x is equal to plus 1, because 1 minus 1 is nothing, so that means x must be equal to a half. So we have our two solutions, x equals a half and x equals plus 4 for this algebraic fraction question. Thank you very much for joining us on these videos, and we'll see you in the next one.